Hello, and a warm welcome. It is wonderful that you have found your way to this meditation, or perhaps that you are returning to it. And it's wonderful that you are taking a moment for yourself, a moment to pause, to breathe, and to gently shift your focus toward what is already good. So often, we get used to our comforts, to what we have achieved, and it all quickly becomes ordinary. The joy of what we have and what we have accomplished fades into the background of daily life. We are constantly chasing after goals, and in doing so, we often lose sight of the feeling of true abundance. Abundance is more than just money. It is a richness of moments, of appreciation, and of inner peace. The key to this lies in gratitude. That may sound simple, but science has shown that gratitude can positively change the brain, reduce stress, and strengthen the areas responsible for our emotional balance. So let's reawaken that appreciation within you, so that you can begin to see your life from a different perspective, through the lens of gratitude. Before we begin, find a position where you feel comfortable, either sitting or lying down. Keep your spine upright, but relaxed. Rest your hands loosely. This is simply about allowing your body to find stillness so that your mind can follow. There is no right or wrong here. Whenever you are ready, gently close your eyes. Bring your attention to your breath. Observe it as it flows in and out, without trying to change it. Your breath is your anchor in the here and now. With every exhale, I invite you to let go a little more. Let the tension flow out of your shoulders. Relax your face, your jaw, and your forehead. Feel how your entire body becomes heavier, allowing itself to relax completely. Turn your attention inward to the area of your heart. Imagine a door there. This door leads to your innermost, safest space. A place of infinite potential, like your own personal command center. It isn't locked. The only key is your intention to enter right now. In your mind's eye, gently open this door and step inside. What does this place look like? Perhaps it's filled with a warm, golden light. A clearing in a forest. Or a cozy room. Allow the image to arise on its own. Breathe in the atmosphere of this place. There is an energy here of deep peace and unconditional acceptance that you can feel. Here, you are whole. Linger here for a moment and feel how this energy envelops you. In this safe space, we will now invite the energy of gratitude. First, call to mind something small and simple that you are grateful for today. It could be something as simple as the first sip of coffee from your favorite mug, the sun on your skin, a friendly smile, or a pleasant encounter. Don't just recall the thought, but the feeling of that moment. Feel how it spreads like a warm spark in your heart. It's like hearing an old song from your youth that can bring back all the feelings from that time. Now, think of a person for whom you are grateful, someone who enriches your life. Picture this person in your mind. Remember a moment when they made you feel understood and accepted. Let this wave of gratitude make the light in your heart shine even brighter. And third, and most importantly, direct this gratitude and appreciation toward yourself. Find one thing about yourself that you can be grateful for or proud of today. For example, your strength for having worked out, your ability to stand up for someone, or to be loyal, or simply the fact that you are taking this time for yourself. Acknowledge your own worth. Feel how this third wave of gratitude ignites the light in your inner space into a radiant glow. Now, allow this light to spread from your heart throughout your entire body, all the way to your fingertips and the tips of your toes. Every single cell is being flooded with this warm, golden light of gratitude and abundance. You are this light. You are this abundance. Remain in this state of pure being for a few more breaths. Bathe in this feeling. Imprint it within you. This space is always here for you. You can return here at any time, simply by turning your attention to what is already good. Now, slowly bring your awareness back to your body as it sits or lies here. Feel the surface beneath you. Gently move your fingers and your toes. Take 3 more deep, conscious breaths. Breathe in the calm and the fullness, and carry this feeling with you into your day. Gently and slowly open your eyes. Welcome back. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Appreciation isn't waiting around the next corner. It lies in the ability to see the good that is already here. If you'd like, feel free to share one small thing in the comments that you were grateful for during this exercise. By doing so, you not only inspire others, but you also reinforce this feeling for yourself. And if you would like more moments of calm and inner alignment like this, I warmly invite you to subscribe to this channel. Take good care, and until next time.